All right, Kim, here it is, the Jayco 29 BHDB. So I'm going to do a quick walk around on the outside and the inside. I know you already saw the 360, pictures online, but this I'm going to point out a few extra things. Since you didn't know that it had a slide, I'll tell you what I like about it and why. This is actually a really great unit size for you, since you're going to be working 365 days of the week there at the Grand Canyon. So let's take a look quickly on the outside and then the inside, okay? Okay. So on your nice days when it's nice and sunny out, you're going to have a huge awning for shade, and it's also got LED lighting strip underneath that. If you see up there, it's an LED lighting strip. You got the power outlet if you have to connect anything outside. It's got 3 steps, makes it easier to climb in. Underneath you have a thermal package. That's so important for you because you're up north and sometimes it's going to get kind of cold. And so you definitely want that. That will keep your tanks covered underneath. I'll show you underneath on the RV. So everything's covered. You see that black cover? Everything's enclosed and covered. There's a low point water drain right here because there's some kitchen right above this area. This is actually the kitchen window, and so that's a nice area when you're not working. You're going to empty